time is... Hello, 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 hello. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. You dropped something. You dropped something. Right there, sir. You dropped something. Your blood clot manners. You know none. You know none.
It is people like Uno that's the problem with this world. It's you people like you, yeah? The point of the video was basic manners. Learn to have basic manners, which a lot of society don't have nowadays. I've seen a couple of racist comments of people being like, manners is not taught in the hood, or manners is not taught in the jungle. What are you talking about? And when I take when I watch Uno, guys, in a real life, without blocks off your mouth. Jano. Seriously though, there's something wrong with the world, because why are we having a whole this debate in the comment section whether we should have manners or not for somebody doing something, the most minimal something? Saying thank you, 2 words, thank you, is nothing. And it's because of people like this comment right here that think like this, that's the problem with this world, because you're there telling yourself that, oh, they're not expecting any, what do you mean they're not expecting anything from you or nothing? It doesn't take anything to say thank you. Oh, you be serious? Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are having debates in comment section of whether or not we should say thank you to people. Are you fucking being serious? Some of them are just fucking dunks and just... You people that think like that, I know that God is real. And you know that God is real, because I know that you're nowhere in life right now. I know that you're nowhere in your fucking life right now, because God has not blessed you because of the type of person you are.